Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like. In this video I am going to tell you about how to create a YouTube channel, upload videos and earn money step by step. Google home page, then search Google account, then click on create a Google account. Step 1. Create a Google account. Now fulfill your first name and last name. And then write a username. Select and then write your password. Again write to confirm it. Now click on next. Password should match. Verify your phone number. Now write your phone number. Click on next. A code will be sent to your number. Now write the code to verify your phone number. Now click on verify. Now copy the email address given at the top. And paste it on the recovery email address. Now fulfill your date of birth. Write your gender. Next. Get more from your number. You can skip it. Now read the privacy and terms. After reading, click on I agree. Now your Google account is completed. Now search for www.youtube.com. Then go to your profile. Now look for your Google account. Then click on your channel. Now set your YouTube as name. Click on create your channel. Now click on YouTube Studio Beta. Now click on Got It. Now click on Creator Studio Classic. Now click on Skip. As you can see, our YouTube channel is created. There is no view, no subscriber. Now click on Channel. Now verify your channel with your number. Click on Verify. Now select your country. Insert your number. And click on Submit. Now there you can see verification code in your number. Insert the code. Click on Submit. Congratulations, your channel is verified. Now click on Confirm. Now your channel is verified. Click on Advanced. Select your country. Now again go to channel and see monetization. It is ineligible. Click on ineligible. Go to advanced and change your country name. You can keep it as India. Now save it. Go to channel and see monetization is eligible now. Now click on enable. Now apply for monetization. Step 1. Click on start. Read the terms and conditions and click on all the terms and conditions. After reading, click on I accept. Now click on step 2. Sign up for AdSense. Click on start. Click on next. Now see your ID and click on it. Now your Google AdSense sign up page is opened. You can see there is written get more out of AdSense. Click on no. Now select your country. Now read all the terms and conditions and click on yes, I have read and accept the agreement. Create account. Now get started. Now fulfill your payment address detail. Write your name, address number 1, and address 2. Now write your city name, write its postal code. You can go and Google it. Postal account of your city. Now write your phone number. And submit it. Now step 1 and step 2. Now you can see step 3. Click on start. We can find step 3 is having some problem. Click on cancel. Go to Google and search for AdSense account login. Click on Google AdSense. It is shown that we are working on setting you up. It may take some time. Now go back to your channel again. Now we know that step 3 is having some problem. So now go to upload video. Select files to upload. Choose any video which you want to upload. Click on open. Now you can write your video's name. As for example, cute baby. Now write some description about your video. And click on publish. Publish. Now your video is uploaded to your channel. Now go to your channel. Click on Creator Studio Classic. Skip it. Now you can see your video is uploaded. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.